Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at 3D trigonometry. So the objective here is to use trigonometry in 3 dimensions to find missing lengths and angles in 3D shapes. So here's an example. We need to find the angle between the line AD and the base of the cuboid. So the first thing we do with these questions is find the angle that we're actually trying to find. So we have the line AD, so I'm going to draw a line between A and D, so that's here. And we have the base of the cuboid. So if we connect A to C and C to D, we end up with a right angle triangle. And we can see that this angle here is the line between AD and the base, because AC lies on the base, so we're simply trying to work out what this angle is. So we could use some trigonometry to work out what that angle is. So the thing we need to do this is we need 2 sides, because once we have 2 sides, we can use SOHCAHTOA to work out what the angle is. So I need to know what AC is. I can work out what AC is because I know that the base triangle is a right angle triangle. So I can use Pythagoras on this triangle to work out AC. And I already know that CD is the same as AF, which is 6 centimetres. So if I start off by working out AC, I could label this side A, this side B, and this side C. So I could say that 8 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. So 64 plus 16 equals C squared. So C squared equals 80, and C is therefore the square root of 80. So therefore we have that A to C is the square root of 80. So now if I just draw out this right angle triangle, I have that A to C is the square root of 80, as I've just worked out. And I have C to D is 6 centimetres. So I could simply use SOHCAHTOA. So if I want to work out what this angle is, I could call this angle X. Now I have the opposite and I have the adjacent. So I could say that tan X equals 6 over the square root of 80. And therefore X is going to be tan to the minus 1 of 6 over the square root of 80. So tan to the minus 1 of 6 over the square root of 80 is going to give us 33.9 degrees. So that is the answer to this question. So here's an exam style question on this topic. So pause the video, have a go at this one, and I'll go through the answer in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at that. So in this question, we need to find the angle between the line AD and the base of the cuboid. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect A to D, and I'm going to draw a right angle triangle out. So the angle that we're trying to find is the angle between AD and the base of the cuboid. So that's going to be this angle here, so I can call that angle X. So now all I need is AC, because once I have AC, I can use SOHCAHTOA to work out what X is. So to work out AC, I could use Pythagoras, because I know that AB is the same as ED, which is 12 centimetres. So if I label this A, this B, and this C, I have that A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So we have 12 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared. So 144 plus 25 equals C squared. C squared is 169, and therefore C is equal to 13 centimetres. So C is 13 centimetres. So if we look at this as a right angle triangle, I have the opposite and I have the adjacent. So I could therefore use tan again. So I could say tan X is opposite over adjacent, so that's 9 over 13, and X is therefore tan to the minus 1 of 9 over 13, which is 34.7 degrees. So the answer to this question is 34.7 degrees. So that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!